Hey, this will be a video chart on VLCO. I had some questions on this one yesterday. Couldn't get to the video, but here we are today. Another nice green day. And basically, this chart's just come to life. As you can see, looking down here at the bottom, the past couple days. I'm guessing there was some sort of news or maybe a promotional campaign or filing or something happened. At the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. All that matters is that volume came in and the price has been reacting nicely. So the chart is waking up and the price has shown that it is able to move. Nothing worse than seeing volume like this and then having the price go sideways or worse yet down. That's not the case with this one. The price has been moving up nicely, so that's always a nice little kind of encouraging sign. So just want to map out some supports, resistances, and this chart's pretty simple one, so it shouldn't take too long. But the first thing to note is the price is in a nice little uptrend now. If we draw our trend line like that, you can see that over time we've had higher lows after it hit 007 down there, the James Bond level, put in a low up here at 008, then this low down here at 0.012, then we had 0.013, and now it's really separated from this trend line. So at the end of the day, for the players that are concerned about what the overall trend is, this support level here, this trend line, is the must-hold level. Because if you think about it, let's say that the price were to drop all the way back down here and bounce around here before heading back up, this trend would still be intact. Therefore, the chart would still be in an uptrend, depending on how you want to define that. But this is the trend line that we need to watch, and as long as the price can stay above that, then the overall chart will still remain in an uptrend. And obviously nobody wants to see it drop all the way down there. But worst case scenario, the overall chart is still good. Now, if you're a day trader, then yeah, your strategy really shouldn't include letting it drop down here and then seeing. But for the overall chart players, that's the level you want to keep your eye on. Now, in terms of resistance levels, well, let me take a step back. Shorter term type support, where if you were to ask me what would be the ideal support level that you'd like to see hold on any sort of pullback, my answer to that would be the 0.033, and that's simply coming from this previous high right there. So this is the ideal support level. This is the absolute no excuses must hold support level. Jumping to the resistance side of the equation, this one's very easy. The resistance that we just need to keep our eye on is simply that previous high right here at 0.062. So that is the level where we want to see the bulls be able to push through. Obviously, there's been some profit taking already during this run. So if the bulls approach it again tomorrow, what we want to then do is watch the volume, and on any sort of break through this line, the higher the volume, the better. So, a volume bar like that would be great. Now, if the price, sorry about that, had an important phone call. But anyways, like I said, watching this breakout, what we need to do, the higher the volume, the better. Now, if the price does start to go sideways or pull back, not the end of the world, but we would like to see ideally volume drop off in that situation. So that is where the chart currently stands. Very nice move the past couple days. But if you're playing this from the overall perspective, remember, keep your eye on this trend line, because every time the price has come down there, you can see the bulls have stepped in and provided support. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was VLCO. Thanks for listening.